Welcome to BasicAI. In this video, we will introduce our platform's task workflow system and the functions contained in the Task Center. On BasicAI, a task is the basic unit of annotation workflow. In the Task Center, users can perform data assignments, create or manage tasks, and manage shared tasks, etc. Let's take a look at the lifecycle of a task first. The basic lifecycle of each task is firstly created and configured by the team admin, then annotated by an annotator, reviewed by a reviewer, and at last accepted by an inspector. In the review and acceptance stages, data in the task could be rejected to previous stages if the reviewer or inspector finds the data results incorrect. The Task Center contains 4 major sections: To-Do, My Tasks Management, Team Task Management, and Shared Tasks. Workers can perform task assignments on the To-Do page, while admins can manage tasks on the Task Management page. The Shared Task page is designed for partners to manage tasks which are shared with them. On the To-Do page, workers can receive and perform annotation, review, or acceptance tasks that are assigned to them. The tasks are displayed in independent assignment cards according to different stages: annotation, review, or acceptance. Click on the Annotate, Review, or Inspect entry button to perform data operation work. At the top right corner of the page, filtering the tasks according to data type, status, or creation time is available there. For team admins, Team Management page is designed for bulk task management. Team admins can view all the team task details here. Click the Create button at the top right corner to create a new task, or continue configuring a task that you've created before but not published. Click the setting icon to select the columns you want to display. Click the checkbox beside ID, and then the bulk management toolbar will appear at the bottom. Task actions include pause, delete, continue, restart, close, etc. You can also bulk configure the settings of selected tasks. In addition, if you want to bind multiple tasks with the same data type into one project, just select the tasks, click Link to Project, and then select a project name. If you are a task admin, you can manage your tasks on the My Tasks Management page. This page's display and logic are similar to the Team Task Management page. Clicking on any task ID on the Task Management page can lead you to the Task Info Summary page. This page provides all the information about the task and data, as well as data and object-wise performance statistics. Under the Overview tab, there are basic metrics for admins to monitor task status, accuracy to evaluate annotation quality, and stage breakdown details to check data flow. Navigate to the Data tab, and you will find all the data info displayed in the form of data cards. On the Data page, you can drill down to manage each piece of data, use useful attributes on the right Sort and Filter card to filter out problematic data, and then enter the data to add comments or reassign it to other workers directly. BasicAI provides automated QA function and systemized QA rules to do real-time QA on all the data according to your needs. Under the QA tab, you can select and enable the rules which you want to apply to the task, or create data indexes and run a quality check job on the task. On the Performance page, detailed performance statistics are displayed in the 2 dimensions of task and worker, as well as accuracy. Under the Task Performance tab, performance information is available for both data and objects. Data performance includes submitted data item counts, valid work durations, pass rate as quality, and redo counts. Object Performance chart indicates the specific counts of actions related to different tool types and their corresponding data types. The Worker Performance section displays all the performance statistics in regard to individual workers. Under the Setting tab, you can edit different setting options of the task, including ontology, instructions, workflow, comments, workflow parameters, and annotation settings. If certain tasks are shared with an external partner, the partner can decide whether to accept or reject the shared task on the Shared Tasks page. For accepting, click Configure to assign workers to the task, and click Accept. After finishing configuring the task, the partner team admins can view and manage the shared tasks here. Feel free to check out the document for more details. See you in the next session.